Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter from Physics 2, Electrostatics. So as a serial number it is a chapter number 10, okay? As a serial number this is chapter number 10, Electrostatics. So this is a much important chapter from Physics 2 which is applicable for 12th standard also. Most of the questions from CET examination, NEET examinations will be asked from this chapter Electrostatics. So many points are there which is added into this new syllabus in Electrostatics chapter. First we are going to discuss some basic fundamentals of this electrostatics. Electro means there is a charge, static means rest. So I can say this is a branch of science which deals with study of charges at rest. This is the branch which is used, or branch of physics which deals with the study of charges at a rest. So that is said to be electrostatics. To understand the phenomenon of electrostatics, we should know how the bodies are said to be charged from uncharged conditions. You might have seen one example that while sitting on the chair, while sitting on the plastic chair, okay, for 5 to 10 minutes, and if you are immediately stand up from the chair, what happens? Sometimes you will get some shock, little bit shock. Why this is so? This is due to induction of the charges from the chair to you. Again, if I see the examples for comb, that is said to be, we know comb, okay? If you rub the comb to the woolen and if you place this comb to the piece of the paper, what happens? The piece of the papers which are trying to attract towards the comb. Why? Because charges are said to be induced from uncharged condition to the charged condition. So what is mean by this induction? What is mean by the conduction for the particular charges? That we are going to see here, okay? We know the atom is said to be constitution of the positive charges as well as the negative charges. I can say proton and electron. So here I can say one atom, okay? So atom is said to be electrically neutral. When it is said to be electrically neutral, you might have heard about neutral condition of the atom. It is said to be neutral means what? Number of positive charges means protons is equal to number of negative charges, that is electron, okay? And here number of neutrons, they are said to be chargeless, okay? So suppose here 10 protons, number of electrons are 10, so there is no extra proton, there is no extra electron available in the atom. So total charge of the atom is said to be 0. That's why I can say this is said to be a neutral atom. But when we increase the electron or when we increase the proton or positive charges, then atom is said to be electrically unstable. This is stable means neutral. Unstable means extra electron or extra proton is available. So how to get number of the extra electrons from the particular conductor, that we are going to see in detail in this chapter. So this chapter total based upon the concept of the induction. So we are going to see what we mean by the induction and what we mean by the conduction exactly. So this atom or electron is said to be electrically neutral. Electrically neutral means number of electrons equal to number of protons. Of course we know electrons are revolving around the positively charged nucleus, correct? We had a discussion that why electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the classroom discussion forum, okay? So this is the condition, neutral condition. Neutral condition कधी असते? When temperature is said to be 0 degrees Celsius, then only atom is considered as a neutral. So keep in mind, when atoms are considered said to be neutral only when it is said to be 0 degrees Celsius, means in Kelvin I can write here minus 273 Kelvin. 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस म्हणजे -273 केल्विन असतं ना. ओके 0 डिग्री सेल्सियसला और आय कॅन से इट इज अ ॲब्सोल्यूट 0. ठीक आहे. -273 केल्विनला काय असतो ॲटम हा न्यूट्रल असतो. बट व्हेन temperature around the atom will increase, what happens? Electron will receive the energy, and electron, instead of following the circular path, electron they will get the energy. त्यांना टेम्परेचर मिळतंय म्हणजेच काय, they will get the energy. When the electron receive the energy, instead of following circular, now they are leaving the atom like this. So electron is said to be free, but still it is inside the atom or inside the conductor. This is the conductor. याच्यामध्ये फक्त मी एक ॲटम कन्सिडर केला आहे, लक्षात घ्या. इलेक्ट्रॉन इज सेड टू बी फ्री मीन्स निगेटिव्ह चार्ज क्रिएटेड when this atom earlier it was electrically neutral. Now due to increase in temperature, so I can say temperature is said to be 27 degree Celsius. Then in Kelvin I can write here 300 Kelvin. So no need to write here Kelvin concept. No need to write here Kelvin concept. So just to rise in temperature, stable atom convert into unstable atom. Stable atom convert into unstable atom. When temperature of system म्हणजेच काय, atoms किंवा त्या कंडक्टरच्या अराउंड असणारं टेम्परेचर, that is said to be temperature around the system. Okay. So temperature increases, electron will receive the energy, and electron can getting free from the particular atom, but still it is inside the conductor. So this I can say as a conductor. ठीक है. So electron is said to be free because it is getting energy. Atom earlier it was neutral, now atom is said to be positive charged. म्हणजे काय झालं, due to increasing temperature electron and atom get separated. So ion on the atoms remains are said to be positive ions. So it is said to be positive charge, and electron is said to be now negatively charged. They are separated. Why they are said to be separated? It is due to increase in a temperature condition. It is due to increase in a temperature condition. Okay. So, but still it is said to be bounded up. But still it is said to be bounded within the conductor. It is said to be bounded within the conductor. Now, how could this concept is applicable? How could this concept is applicable in the induction process? That we'll see in detail. Okay. Now, I can place charge the body who is already charged. Okay. Who is already charged. Extra negative charges. याचं चार्जिंग काय, निगेटिव्ह चार्जेस याच्यामध्ये आहेत. So this body is said to be charged. I can say the another conductor which is uncharged. This is said to be conductor. Uncharged conductor. Conductor means it is consist of number of atoms. Okay, atoms consist of positive charge electrons, positive charge protons and negative charge electrons. So I can write these protons, electrons. These are the atoms. These are the atoms. Many atoms are present. And actually there are millions of the atoms present in the conductor. Okay. So this extra charged body, this is charged body. म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजेल कंडक्टर काय आहे, बॉडी काय, charged body and said to be conductor. If this charged body is keeping near to this conductor, what happens? If this charged body keeping near to this conductor, suppose these are the electrons of this charged body which is kept near to this charged conductor, then what happens? If this is comes closer like this, what happens? There are negative charges on the boundary of this charged body. Electrons on the boundary of this charged body. So this I can say boundary of the charged body. Okay. Now, if it is keeping near to this uncharged conductor, what happens? Can this electron attracted this electron? No. These electrons attracted some positive charges. So, where are the positive charges? These are the positive charges, means positive ions. So, repulsion takes place between electrons. Repulsion takes place between electron, and attraction takes place between electron and positive charged ions, protons. So protons, हे बघा इथे प्रोटॉन दिसत का? Suppose 4 electrons, I can say here 4 electrons. Instead of that I can write here 3, so that we can understand the concept clearly. 3 electrons which can attracted towards, or these 3 protons which are attracted towards 3 electrons. 3 protons, 3 electrons. Where these electrons gone? Is there any attraction between electrons and electrons? No. Electrons are repelled and they are moving away from this electron. Why? Due to force of repulsion. Due to force of repulsion between them. Force of repulsion between them. Electrons are moving to the boundary of the uncharged conductor. Okay. 3 protons इकडे आले. मी इथं घेतो as it is 3 electrons to the boundary. So this is one boundary of the conductor. This is second boundary of the conductor. ठीक है. What remains inside? What remains inside? Those atoms which are not said to be converted from stable position to the unstable positions. But here what happens? Here what happens? In the next position, I can draw the figure. Here, negative charge of the body, negative charge of charged body, which will produces what? Separation of the charges in the conductor. याच्यामध्ये काय झालं? याच्यामध्ये काय झालं? चार्जेसचं सेपरेशन झालं. Is it clear? How they are separated? Like this. So positive charge is separated with the negative charge, and when the charges inside the conductor separated with a finite distance, this process is called as a polarization. Charges काय झाले? Polarized झाले. Charges are said to be polarized, and this phenomenon is called as the polarization of the charges. This phenomenon is said to be a polarization of the charges. So this is the concept regarding the attraction of the positive charge towards the negative charge. But can these two materials, conductor is one material, charged body is another material, can these two materials are in contact? No, there is no actual contact. There is no actual contact. Here what happens? Force of attraction between what? Negative charge of body and positive charge of conductor. So here what takes place? Force of attraction. Is it clear? मग आज तुम्हाला म्हटलं बघा, जरी इलेक्ट्रॉन सेपरेट झाला, पॉझिटिव्ह आयन सेपरेट झाला, तरी ते कशामध्ये आहे? स्टिल दे आर इन द कंडक्टर. Even they separated, electrons separated and positive charge or positive is separated, still they are present within the conductor. Even they are said to be free, they are within the conductor. So this is the most important point you should keep in mind. Even the charges are said to be polarized, which is separate झाले, they are still bounded. Bounded are the kind, they are not moving away from the conductor. So I can say these positive and negative charges are said to be bound, still they are said to be inside the conductor. That's why it is said to be a bound charges. Okay, so force of attraction between negative and positive charge. Can these two bodies are in contact with each other? No. Without any contact, how much charges are developed within the conductor? See, next figure I can draw here like this. Negative charge, this is the body, charged body of course. How much charges are developed? Positive charges, extra positive charges, okay, plus 3 charges डेव्हलप मीन्स हे काय झालं आता चार्जेस तयार झाले. सो आय कॅन से दिस इज नाउ चार्ज्ड कंडक्टर. अर्लियर इट वॉज अनचार्ज्ड कंडक्टर, नाउ इट इज चार्ज. मीन्स व्हॉट चार्जेस आर क्रिएटेड ॲट द बाउंड्री. वन बाउंड्री पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेस, सेकंड बाउंड्री निगेटिव्ह. आता याला परत कसं डिलीट करायचं और हाऊ टू रिमूव्ह दिस निगेटिव्ह चार्जेस दॅट विल सी लेटर. ओके. सो conductor, uncharged conductor converts into charged conductor when we keep a charged body near to the uncharged conductor. So this phenomenon it is called as a electrostatic induction. Electrostatic induction, I can write here the when uncharged conductor placed near to charged body, then free electrons are polarized. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काय झाले बघा पोलराइज झाले ना. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इकडे गेले, पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज इकडे गेले, पोलरायझेशन प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस. ज्याला पोलरायझेशन होतं त्याला काय होतं at that time conductor becomes charged. Okay, polarized. This process is called as the electrostatic induction. So keep in mind, without any contact, uncharged conductor converted into charged conductor. ही एक केस फक्त मी डिस्कस केली. असे नंबर चार्जेस डेव्हलप होणार आहेत. सो कंडक्टर बिकम्स charged. So when uncharged conductor placed near to the charged body, then free electrons are polarized. This process is said to be electrostatic induction. And what is meant by induction? What is meant by induction? काय झालं याच्यामध्ये बघा फोर्स अप्लाय झाला ना दोघांच्यामध्ये. फोर्स अप्लाय झाला दोघांच्यामध्ये. अट्रॅक्शन बिटवीन टू. Without touching two bodies to each other, force experiences. Okay. The forces or the force applied. Force applied झाला कुठला force of attraction दोघांमध्ये. Force applied without contact of two bodies. Without contact of two bodies, this process is nothing but induction. ॲक्च्युअल कॉन्टॅक्ट वेगळा ते आपण नंतर बघणार आहे. इंडक्शन आणि कंडक्शन. इंडक्शन मीन्स फोर्स बिटवीन द टू विदाउट कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑफ द टू बॉडीज. दॅट इज सेड टू बी इंडक्शन. And what is electrostatic induction? When uncharged conductor placed near the charged body, then free electrons are said to be polarized. And when electrons are said to be polarized, polarized अर्थ काय? Two charges are separated from each other by finite distance. Means this condition is said to be polarized. Okay. So after polarization, what happens? Positive charges comes to one end, negative charges comes to other end. Suppose charged body is positively charged, then what happens? If here is a positive charge, electrons could be moved towards this boundary, and positive charge could move towards the other boundary. When body is said to be positively charged. And body is said to be a positively charged. Okay. So this is the basic concept for the electrostatic induction. So try to understand this concept. What is electrostatic condition? Uncharged conductor is placed in the charged body. Okay, near the charged body. Then free electrons are said to be polarized. That produces the charging on the conductor. Means conductor is said to be charged conductor. This phenomenon is called as the electrostatic induction. But what is meant by induction? The force applied without contact of two bodies. That process is called as the induction. That process is called as the induction. Okay. So this is the basic concept we have discussed today. From tomorrow also we are going to discuss a basic concept. Then we are moving to the actual chapter. Okay. So we can stop here. Thank you.